Hey everyone, my name is Lauren and today I'm going to be reviewing Billie Razor's subscription service. In this video, I'll explain how the subscription service works, my experience with the razor, how long the razors last, what makes them unique, and I'll also review the shaving cream that I ordered on top of my subscription. So first I want to explain my hair type. I have thick, coarse hair, and on my lower legs, bikini line, and underarms, my hair grew back so fast and it would get so irritated so easily that I ended up doing laser hair removal. And I think that's important to note because now the hair there is fine. I still get hair though, so it still comes back. I still have to shave. I shave probably 2 to 3 times a week during the summer and 1 to 2 times a week during the winter because my upper legs and my arms grow back. I have blonde hair on those areas, but it's thick blonde hair, so I have to shave them more regularly. So before I tried Billie, I actually used a men's razor. This is the Gillette Fusion. I used the same razor since high school, so over 13 years, and I just found that men's razors worked better. They got closer, the blades stayed sharper longer, they didn't irritate me as much. I remember trying Schick Intuition, and I remember the blades had these lines, like vertical lines that would go across the blades that were so sharp and irritating on my skin. And I just looked it up and that razor is still for sale, which blows my mind. But I guess if you aren't prone to irritation, maybe it doesn't bother you. I don't know. I've been using this same razor forever. So making the switch to Billie was a pretty big leap for me. I thought that, honestly, they had so many ads running on Instagram. I was like, I have to test this. Is it really that good? So the way that Billie works is it's a subscription service. So what you do is you sign onto their website. You can only buy them from their website. And you select what handle color you like. They have 5 options. The one that I have is called Blush. So it's like a light pink and then a little bit darker pink right here. And the bottom of the handle has a matte, kind of grippier finish. It almost feels like a very soft rubber, but it's not squishy. So they say that's better for ergonomics and just helping you grip the razor in the water. Billie is a subscription service that ships razors directly to your home. You can't buy them at store. You can only buy them from Billie's website. And they ship razors depending on how often you shave. They also have other products as well. So they have shaving cream, they have lotion, they have face wipes, and I'll get into all of the pricing of those things later. But I think that the most unique thing about Billie is the charcoal shave soap that is around, it goes all the way around the blades. And this soap is amazing. Actually, I'm very impressed by it. They say that the charcoal is purifying and detoxifying, and it also offers a very mild exfoliation. And it's also made with aloe and shea butter, so it's soothing and moisturizing as it shaves. The Billie razors also have 5 nickel-free blades that will not rust, and they're made in America. Billie donates 1% of their revenue to charities that are trending. So whatever the big kind of buzzword of the moment is, they used to do women's charities when I first started using the razor a year ago, but this year I noticed that they're focusing on other charities, so I don't really know. They change them up, which is interesting. Billie is also focused on having more natural products, so they have no sulfates, they're paraben-free, they have no formaldehyde, they have no fragrance. So I would say whether you have the most sensitive skin or you just want to stick to clean beauty products, I like that they do that, especially because their razors do have skincare products attached to them. So if you want to use this razor, I think that you have to really check the ingredients. The first time you order Billie, you're gonna get the starter kit. It's $9 and it comes with the handle, so whichever color you choose, and then 2 of their razor heads and this magnet that sticks to your shower wall. So after you pick the handle color that you like, I have the blush one. They have 5 options though. Then you go on to selecting how often you shave. So they have 3 options to choose from. Whether you shave every day, where that way they'll send you a new razor pack, which is 4 razors for $9 a month, and it will ship every single month. If you shave a few times a week, they ship you razors every 2 months, and then if you shave once a week, they ship you razors every 3 months. So no matter what, every time they ship you new razor heads, you're gonna get a pack of 4, and you can increase or decrease how often they send it depending on what you need. So you can just log into your account. It's really easy to control. Next, they give you the option to add the shave cream. They also now have this little travel head that goes over the razor. They have these face wipes that seem like a huge ripoff to me. It's like $9 for 25 wipes. I would just say if you're really focused on sticking to something clean, maybe just use your skincare or use like a makeup eraser. If you're not focused on clean, then Kirkland, the Costco brand, Their makeup wipes are amazing. And then they also have a lotion. So their prices do go up depending on what you buy. The first time I placed an order, I did the starter kit. Then I also wanted to try their shave cream. So that was an additional $8. And then when the razor gets delivered, so the starter kit comes in this cute white box. It's very plain. I would say it's pretty gender neutral as well. And the razor comes in this little box inside of that box. And when the blades are shipped, they're shipped in a bag similar to this one. It's just a little bit smaller. So pretty basic. I think that their packaging is cute, and it's not something where it's like they spend a ton of money and there's all this waste. I think that they kind of just keep it simple for you. So my first experience using the razor really wasn't that great. I was used to my heavy metal Gillette Fusion, and this thing is very light. So the handle is made out of plastic, and just looking at the difference, like shaving with this one, you don't have to push as hard because it's heavy. So I feel like the weight of the razor just forces it to glide along your skin. Whereas this one, I felt like I had to push so hard to get it to glide. So I tried it with just the razor head, and then I also used the shaving cream the first time. And I didn't really notice the difference, honestly. I felt like the shaving cream was so thick and it was hard to get out of the bottle. It wasn't like that whipped foaming shaving cream that we're used to. It was basically like using a thick, very thick conditioner to shave. And I noticed that as the charcoal got more wet around the blades, this actually kind of got a little puffy and made it so that this glides so smoothly across your skin. This razor is a week old. And I wanted to show you what I mean when I say it gets kind of plump. You can see the charcoal soap right here, how it's starting to bubble up. That isn't water, that's just the soap. So it really does provide you with a nice cushion. And you can see from the side too. It's also on the back of the razor. But if you look closely, you can see that it sticks out further than the blade. So it really provides a nice shave. And then this is in comparison to a brand new razor. So you can see the difference where it just gets bigger and puffier. And then here's a side view of a new razor. So I would say for your first round, maybe just try the razor head and don't order any of the add-ons. Okay, now after the first time I used this, I made a big mistake and I just set this on my shower ledge. I didn't use the little magnetic holder because I wasn't really sold on the razor and I wasn't sure if I wanted to stick this to my shower wall yet. And I also didn't know where I wanted to put it. So the next day I went to take a shower and I looked at my razor and it was stuck to my shower bench. The charcoal shave soap stays wet and it just bled and like melted all over the razor blades, all over my bench. When I went to take it off the bench, the head was stuck. So definitely learn my lesson. You have to attach it to this. What this does is it prevents the charcoal soap from sticking to anything and it allows it to dry out and it prevents it from rusting. Now this has this little sticky thing on the back. So I don't know if you can see that. There has a sticker over it right now. And the first time I did it, I put it on one area of my shower and I realized that I didn't like it there. So I popped it off and I moved it. And that didn't last very long. I would say it lasted another week and then it fell. So I was like, well, shoot, this razor really sucks because you can't set the blade down because then it bleeds everywhere and you have to use a new one every time. And this thing doesn't stick to the shower wall. So I was really disheartened at first. But I used another sticky. So these come with an extra sticky, probably for this very reason. I stuck it on the wall and it stayed for 11 months. So I would say it didn't even come down. I had to take it down when we moved houses. So I really don't know how long it lasts, but 11 months is pretty good. So once I got used to how lightweight this razor is, I actually really started to like it. I loved how the edges are rounded, whereas my Gillette Fusion, the edges are pretty sharp. And this makes it really easy to get into those uncomfortable and harder to reach areas without that fear of cutting yourself. I never really cut myself with my Gillette Fusion, but now that I'm looking at this, I'm surprised that I didn't. One thing that I will say is this glides so well and the blades are so sharp that I did nick myself a few times and I haven't nicked myself in years. So that was interesting, but since then I've learned how to use the razor. You have to slow down a little bit because you can really start going fast and that's when you cut yourself. So I actually really love this razor. I am very impressed. I mean, I've been using it for the past year. This hasn't been completely untouched for a year. I'm actually surprised that I still have it. But I love the Billie Razor. I love how easily it glides. I love how long the blades last. The blades last so long on this. They probably last like 6 weeks, but the problem is the charcoal shaved soap goes away faster. So that lasts like 3 to 4 weeks for me, whereas the blades last way longer. So if you want to keep using the razor and you don't have any charcoal soap, then maybe that's why you would want to try the shaving cream, or really any shaving cream would work. I just think that the charcoal shave soap makes it so easy because you don't have to use any other soap. It saves money and it saves time. So the only thing I really didn't love about the Billie Razor is they ship product without notifying you first. So I feel like most other subscriptions will be like, hey, like Amazon, we get our dog food shipped every couple months from Amazon, and they notify you before they ship it. They just make sure, okay, are you still at this address? By the way, we're shipping, we're gonna be charging you. And Billie doesn't do that unless, or they didn't do that last spring. I don't know if they've changed it. So they just shipped the razors, and I was getting this stockpile of razors because I couldn't use them fast enough and they kept shipping them before I was going through the 4 that they sent last time. So figuring out how often you use the razors is kind of probably the hardest part about using this subscription, and honestly, it's not that hard. I would say start at like the 2-month mark, and you can always change it if you need to. But overall, I really love this razor. I think that it's 100% worth $9 a month. I mean, $2.25 a razor, you cannot beat that. You also can't beat the convenience. As long as you don't run out of razor blades, then you're gonna be good. And you'll know if you're gonna run out because you grabbed the last one and then you can just place an order on their website. I think that their customer service is amazing. I just think that it's overall a really impressive razor company. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this informative, and if you've experienced this razor or any other razors that you think I should try, leave them in the comments. And also, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. I would love to see you guys next time.